Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to add credit or debit card in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app. So having opened up your Alipay app from the home tab right here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down and then click on Add Now, where you have Master or Visa card. Click on Add Now, and Alipay is going to load just like so, and you will be asked to enter your card number. And the cards supported here are Visa card, MasterCard, Discover, Din Club, JCB, and Junior Pay card. Those are the cards supported in this particular section of Alipay. Alternatively, if you don't want to fill in your card number manually, you can simply click on Scan Bank Card, and automatically it will open up the camera and place your Master or Visa card. Then it will scan it and fill it auto. But in my own case, I'm going to simply fill up the card detail straight up. So having entered your card number, automatically it's going to recognize the bank card. So the card type is MasterCard. And what you need to do next is to enter your expire date and CCV digit at the back of the card. So I'm going to simply click on here to choose the expire date of the card. Once you choose the expire date of the card, simply click on Confirm. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to move to CVV digit number at the back of the card. Turn back your Visa card or MasterCard and take a look at the 3 digits at the back of the card, just like so. So having had it, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Agree to Terms and Add, just like so.